Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Having these tools on hand will streamline the replacement process. First, unplug the Dyson V11 from any power source. Safety is paramount, so make sure the vacuum is completely off before proceeding. Next, locate the 4 T15 screws on the back of the vacuum body. Using the T15 Torx screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Set them aside in a safe place to avoid losing them. Now, gently pull the back cover away from the main body of the vacuum. Be cautious, as there are several wires connected to the motor. You may want to take a moment to inspect these wires for any signs of wear or damage. Once the back cover is removed, you'll see the motor compartment. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully detach the motor from its housing. There may be additional screws securing the motor itself, so make sure to remove those as well. If you find this process difficult, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you assess any issues. After the motor is free, take a moment to clean the surrounding area of any dust or debris. A clean workspace ensures that your new motor will operate efficiently. Use a soft brush or a cloth to wipe down the area, making sure to remove any obstructions. Now, take your new motor and align it with the housing. Secure it in place by reattaching the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is tightly fitted, as a loose connection can lead to operational issues. With the motor in place, it's time to reattach the back cover. Carefully position it back onto the main body and secure it with the 4 T15 screws. Ensure that all screws are tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening as this may cause damage. Once the back cover is secured, it's essential to test the vacuum. Plug it back in and turn it on to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Listen for any unusual noises that might indicate a problem. If you encounter issues, consider that we provide pickup and delivery at your home for repairs, making the process hassle-free for you. If your vacuum is working correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson V11. If you feel uncomfortable performing this task, or if you don't have the tools, remember that we offer a quote before repair and can assist you through our services, ensuring you don't have to make any calls or travel. In conclusion, maintaining your Dyson V11 can save you time and money in the long run. Regular cleaning and timely repairs are key to keeping your vacuum operating at peak performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.